I bring glad tidings to you, my people. Okay, my people, now remember this prophetess for Onitsha. Yes, where he be actually abduct pikin them. Una remember this story now where they say they pound pikin them, they use them for rituals. Una know that matter, no, my people. Yes, now the matter we want to talk about and today. But before we enter the matter, if you are new here or you're just passing, this is your first time, you're stopping by this channel, please do want to subscribe to this channel, my beautiful people, and all those who have subscribed already. I appreciate you all for the support. Well, una don dey give her for this channel, make una no forget for turn on una notification bell so that whenever we get updates or we get matter like this, una go be first for being notified and una go come watch the video. Yes, my people, today we want to talk about this prophetess for Onitsha. Oh my God, my people, I feel very happy because it's like an update for what's done to happen. So this prophetess and accomplice, they don't take and go for police station, my people. They don't traumatize them, they don't bend them, they don't stay without giving them food, my people. Investigation don't sour. Yes, the mommy don't feel her for her body. Now she confess, so she say make them not keep on talk to him the way that they talk to him. Say this pikin then they, so she adopt him, or say she adopt the pikin from one Mrs. Izuora, Clara, Sabina. Yes, this same woman where he talks, so now woman where he begin to work for social welfare for women and children affair. Ah, my people, una see and say na person where they don't give this pikin them to ram, make them take care for the pikin them. Now the woman you sell this pikin them out for 3,050,000 according to way this our prophetess for Onitsha. It tell we, yes, with the sickle and prophetess because it is still insists in a prophetess it be, my people. So una fit imagine this pikin dem don dey suffer. Now where this woman finally confess say, oh, now this woman wanna dey see her so for na screen where the one cut birthday cake. Now he sell out this pikin dem. Una don't see how they look good. Una dey see how that one still get traces for body, but yes, they look healthy. They don't look well taken care of, my people. Ah, Madam Sabina Izuora, Clara, you are wanted by all the police forces of Nigeria, by all the human rights fighters, in fact by everybody in the world, because now you take falsely and unlawfully adopt the pikin for that Onitsha prophetess way. He used the pound the pikin, my people. They ask that prophetess question, say, if una get answers the way he give people, journalists, he can they insult journalists, insult police officers. Anyway, I go leave the screenshots there for you. We go read them together, my people. What I want to talk now, say I be very happy for the way the police officers for Nigeria, they take handle this case, they take this pikin them for make the mother look healthy and very, very cute again. As for Madam Clara Sabina, we don't your matter now. They don't post her everywhere. People, she is wanted to. If una see her face, una call police. So my people, make you read what this woman TikTok is saying. Tell journalists, say, you are very stupid for asking me questions about how I make my money. I think I'm here with respect to the children, not for my business to be investigated. You may wish to know that I supply clothes to area command, CPS at Okpoko, NEPA office, magistrate and high court since the 90s. I traveled to Cotonou to bring goods for over 20 years. Later, I joined Okada business before joining Keke business, which I'm currently into. Besides, I'm also a pastor. What is 3 million naira to me? She replied a reporter who asked how she got the money she adopted the kids with. My people, now ye mouth where this our mommy get this Onitsha prophetess, it no get shame at all. It's still girl mouth for the talk where it only insists say it don't adopt the pikin legally. Say it know they fear anything, my people. So they keep on asking her, say, you say you know they do nothing, you know they flog this pikin, but they meet up pistol and mortars for your house. They meet up concoction for your house. What do you get for explain, my people? Make una look this pistol very well. Now pistol that way it get trace for blood. Now concoction then that's una they see am where they take and pound that pikin, but they ask this mommy, say, what do you get for talk? As you talk, say, you know they do anything, my people. Una go here, he respond, wait, he take respond again. The mommy say the two boys are fornicating the girl. The girl is holding the saying it's sweet. I'm not the one that beats them. 2 days I observed it. I called Sabina to complain to her of what the children are doing, but she said she's not producing children. I called her more than 3 times before I finally went to her office. The mortar and pistol found in my house are what I used to pound yam. The mirror is for my dressing. Don't you see I'm still a young woman? My people, if you see young woman, you no go know. Hey, wahala. Mommy, you know how old you, they deny to old. According to you see the pem. You want compare young body with us. Anyways, no be na the matter that way. It take the touch we. Yes, my people. That mommy say it mortar and pistol na this. And now they take it, the pound yam. How red stain or blood go take the on top pistol where they take pound yam? Question. Yes, that one a jam question, my people. Secondly, mommy it talk say she gets her mirror that to the look herself. Say she is still very young, my people. What do you think about this matter? I mean, mommy still young, or that say that my eyes they fool me. My people, they talk say people were evil. They know if you keep on shining, no. You go fade before your time. You go fade before your time. She talk say no be she beat the pikin up, no be she pound the pikin up. So the pikin them there. They do wetin na big people sabi do. So the girl only take her hand, it dey hold walking stick for the little the 2 little boys them. Now she complained to this woman one that they say for corner when na Sabina way they say before it begin they work for children welfare, my people, but now you know they work again, they my people. So she said she actually called the woman for take complaint, saying now wait this way this speaking that they do, say that they for the keto that they do what big people supposed do. Now the woman said she know they make picking them, she know they create picking them, make she accept the picking them as she did. So she adopt them ni. Make she supports them, my people. But matter where it sweets me now the fact say this speaking them, they look very healthy, they look very good. Yes, now they see this our IGP or na big man for police, my people, where he carry the picking up. Yes, they still get traces of bruises, you know, where they suffer during this they are stay with this mommy. The mommy say they take the pikin them like her own. But what's it happen where the pikin that they suffer this kind of thing? If truly you don't take the pikin them like your own, my people, what's you not think about this thing? The matter where make me a bring and judge now because in an update you know we them happy. We they happy say the pikin them don't big. We get happy say the pikin them they recover. Yes, we don't lost some, but this ones them at least they are very good now. They are looking very good. They are well fed, well taken care of. And the second matter na matter for that Madam Sabina, Clara, izuora. Madam, wherever you are, I dey use my 2 knee, bend down, say they must catch you. Yes, my people. We go stop this video for here. Make una not forget for subscribe. Make una not forget for like. Make una not forget for share the video. I go see you now for my next video.